Welcome back to Javi's Rockin Kitchen. Today we have Carajillo. Alright, so this is our ingredients. You're gonna need some coffee. If you don't have an espresso, I do not have an espresso machine, so not a problem. The idea is to get it really black and charged, strong kind of coffee. Alright, Licor 43. We have two ways to do it, with a shaker and just direct. I'm gonna show you both in this video. Very quick, we're gonna pour some ice in here. Okay. And we're actually gonna need one of those. And that's where we're gonna pour our ice to begin with. Okay? What ice? Now, our next step will be actually get the coffee. This is gonna take very short minutes. I'm waiting on our espresso coffee to get that out, and I really wish you can smell that because, oh my god, it's just delicious. Remember to use your favorite coffee and espresso. I already have some of that. I'm gonna leave it as you see. I shorted out the period because I need it very strong. Now, I have two, actually, those in a very small amount of water. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stir our coffee. So we got two espressos right there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of ice in here, and then we're gonna do 2 ounces of espresso coffee right here. Alright. That's about it. And we're gonna need 1.5. Okay, let's do it. 2 ounces of this. 2 ounces of Licor 43. 1 and 2. Alright. Maybe another ice scoop. And of course, we're going to give it a shake around 10-12 seconds. That's a long 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It should be ready. Okay. And let's just pour our Carajillo. As you can see, there's a little bit of foam, and we're gonna put it right here. My friends, are we gonna go ahead and prepare the next one, which is gonna be the direct way to do it? We're gonna need, again, a glass. We're gonna need some ice. Okay. We're gonna need also our espresso coffee. If you don't have an espresso, go ahead and use, remember, American, but you need to make it stronger. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. 2 and 4 ounces of beautiful coffee. The temperature, of course, is hot. And now we're gonna use our 6. Remember, 6 is going to be 2 ounces. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that will be it. Oh, okay, 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Close our thing. And you have two wonderful things, 2 wonderful ways to try our beautiful cocktail called Carajillo. Now, put these things in there. Give it with more ice. Both of them. It's really interesting how the temperatures play on this cocktail. This one has a little bit more foam. And I tell you what, I believe you should try both of them, and then you can just make an election which one will be your favorite. And remember, just please let me know below in the comments. So remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications. Thank you so much. This is Javi's Rockin Kitchen, and we love you. Oh, I almost forget. Roast coffee beans. Oh my god, they're delicious. Push all that. Push all that. in another delicious. Tasty and beautiful. We love you. Javi's Rockin Kitchen. We love you. Bye bye.